quite into that. I'm not sure how much longer I've got. I mean, in terms of the train rather than live. How much longer I've got? Delay day. Get that?
Lego technique. So once you measure this, it's Lego now to go fit. There are so many people building their own, they call them MOC, my own constructions. There are so many people selling MOCs for this, that, the other. They wanted a boat to go across the ocean. And I had to source parts for that. And it was a I ended up buying stuff from
So then we overnighted at Charles de Gaulle and I went down to the Cracker Door and I went out later. Yeah.
I see, that just makes sense because we all went to London. So it never occurred to me that
Well, yeah, but you wouldn't I mean, that is $400.
yeah. But and it was more convenient for you to